Now I want the filter to be done. I want the filter. So this is currently for all the products that is come. Okay. I want only for banana what is the sales. So what I will do is product, if I just check this. Okay, so see by default it has come here. I don't want here. So I will not do this checking. I will drag it. I will click here, drag and put it in the filter bucket. Put it in the filter bucket. Okay. So if you want to remove something or include something, you can include like this. So this product has come and you can say I want to filter only for banana, and this is how your sales has come. So actually there's no sales of banana except east and north. Okay, that way you can get an idea. Okay, people in east and north are liking banana. Okay. Let's say suppose you want to filter with city also. So you can drag and you can bring this city also. So you can say banana city. Let's say you want Boston. Okay. So Boston is in east. So you get banana Boston. Obviously it is east only. It will come over here. So what we have, the shortcut is Alt N V T. This is a shortcut. So, but I would say, yeah, you can, rather than using shortcut, it is very simple because of this ribbon insert pivot table. You can get it. Right? Let's understand this. So you have a filter you can create. Okay. We have seen how you can remove this grand total. Okay. We have removed the grand totals and we have seen, okay, how much is the sales of banana in Boston across the months. Okay. Right. So, and depending on your, like, whatever you want, it can be done. So let's say category if you want. Okay, so let's say you want to put category also as a filter. You can put category also as a filter. Please note that many of these things are mutually exclusive. So if I put category as bars, so banana Boston category bars, still it is coming. It is because of the data issue. Okay, but banana snacks, see, banana is not a snacks. Okay, so it will come 0. So all this filter that is getting applied, it is with and condition. So we are saying product banana and city Boston and category snacks. So since banana is not a snacks category, there will be no value. So it is not, the filter are not or, the filter are and over here. That is what I wanted to highlight. If you want to select multiple thing, you can select. So this still, it is not a banana, is actually a bars. Okay, so that is how it is come. So you can select all. You can select all. It is as good as not selecting any filter. Right? Now, why do we do this? Why do we do pivot? Okay, pivot is useful for analysis of the data. Right? So, however, you will not want your senior management to create these things and manually do. Right? So, you have to provide to them this entire thing. Okay. So, wherein they can do the filter over here.